So, if you've already forgotten, this is my BMW 318i. Now, in the past I've done a little bit of work to make it driftable, but there's been always one thing lacking: the motor. So, unfortunately it's a bad day to be a BMW, because this guy is about to lose his engine. Now the reason why we're taking the motor out of this is because I have something a lot cooler and a lot more powerful to go back in it. So the idea is to take off the panels and then start with the...
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and
We're going to start with the front and move all the way to the back.
Hey Pooh, how are you? They took my fucking eyes.
Alright, so the whole front's off now. It's making it a whole lot easier to get in and start to remove stuff. So I've already started on the AC lines and get a bit of the other ones. We're just slowly making some room to be able to just lift this out and make a whole lot more room in this engine bay for what's coming in it. Which, by the way, first person to comment what I'm going to put in this, I'll shout out in the next video. Hint, it's big, so I'm going to have to make a bit of room to make it fit, but it's going to be good. So first comment, to get it right, I'll put it in the next video. Just realised as well, when I jacked up the front, I of course wanted some room so I can get underneath. Tyres here just in case if it falls, but I didn't realise I reversed up on a pallet, and now that I've lifted the front, the back's staying on it. So currently I've got some, I don't know, I've got some space in between the rear wheel and the ground. that, the motor's out. So sayonara, little buddy. Time to get out of here. So I've already sold him, not the transmission. So if someone wants the transmission, why would you want one? I guess, I don't know. So now I'm going to start going through all this little stuff, find all the things I don't need and detach them. So I don't need that ABS, you're getting out of here. And it needs a clean too. It's very, very greasy. Just like that, we're done. We now have the motor ready and prepped to kind of start accommodating for this new motor. Now, if you're still trying to guess what the motor is, I'll give you a little hint. You've got unlimited guesses, and the next hint is it is not a BMW. It is not a BMW motor going in it. I decided, I mean, what's the point? It's not fun if you're doing something easy. So, I guess another hint as well. I've only ever seen one other person complete putting this motor in the car. I've seen people try, and not many people actually complete it. In fact, only one other time. So, I'll see you next week, where I'll give it away, what I'm putting in it. I'll see you later.
Beige. I love beige.